The Cut Shapes tool works by splitting graphics into separate shapes, using a closed shape as the cutting tool. Cut Shapes is an extremely versatile tool. Some of its uses are generating custom shapes when designing, splitting a project too large for your laser into multiple pieces, and masking images. To use Cut Shapes, start by selecting all the objects in your workspace you want to cut. Then hold down Shift and click on the shape that'll be doing the cutting. The last shape you add to your selection is always used as the cutting tool, and all other selected objects are cut at the locations they intersect with that shape. Then click Cut Shapes from the Tools drop-down menu to perform the cut. Resulting shapes are automatically sorted into two groups. One group for shapes that were inside the cutting tool, and another for shapes that were outside it. To manipulate them individually, you'll need to ungroup them. If Cut Shapes is grayed out, it means the object you selected last is not a valid shape to use as a cutting tool. There are two requirements that determine validity. The cutting shape must always be a closed shape, meaning it is a complete continuous loop, whose start and endpoint are the same. It cannot be grouped with any other shapes. If the cutting shape you want to use is grouped, you must first ungroup it. Also, the cutting shape is deleted during the cutting process. If you want it to remain in your design after using it with cut shapes, first duplicate it, and then select just one copy to use with cut shapes. The outcome of the cut shapes process varies depending on the layer type that the cut shapes are set to. Objects set to either a line or tool layer are left open, while objects set to fill or offset fill are automatically closed. When using cut shapes with an image, LightBurn will automatically create two masked copies of the images, with one mask showing the part of the image that was inside the cutting shape and the other showing the part that was outside. In this case, the cutting shape is duplicated, and each copy gets assigned to a tool layer. Now you know what the Cut Shapes tool is, and how you can use it to split any object in your workspace into multiple pieces. Check out our documentation to see more examples of cut shapes in action, and subscribe for more great videos on mastering Lightburn.